provided adequately. I think what we all need is
fast-tracking the cabinet memo and recognizes the independent.
Even beyond
that also becomes part of our key second
memo. For the same to be presented in cabinet, that we come with two technical teams. For the benefit of this,
you can formalize it by sending out a request for the technical team, the lead mediator on behalf of ODP.
This is why I called this meeting, so that we establish a technical committee to sit down and bring order and sanity in the approach of the process, so that we don't work separately. And the importance of learning on our children and the sensitivity around the school space, we cannot afford to get it wrong. There is beauty in harmony. There is success when people work together. It helps a lot when we all pull in the same direction. People may have divergent opinions, but there should be a forum where all those divergent opinions are brought together, harmonized, and then we get a common good.